Guys, if you're sick to death living with your small bathroom, you're staring at those dated tiles with a cramped layout and mouldy silicone peeling off around your bath, but you have no idea where to start and your bank balance is like... In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 8 easy, affordable small bathroom ideas for your renovation. These ideas will make your bathroom feel bigger, be insanely practical and beautiful to wake up to every morning, and some ideas will even save you money during your bathroom renovation. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Fee, I'm an interior designer, and if you're new here, I post videos every single week showing you how to renovate your dream home confidently and affordably. We talk about the mistakes to avoid, how to save money on your renovation, and all the nitty-gritty details that will make your design perfect. So click the like and subscribe button if you're doing any home improvements and you like free support. And keep watching until the end of the video because I want to show you the #1 affordable design idea that I keep applying to all my clients' bathrooms when their budget's really tight. It never fails to transform their space and it'll be a super affordable design to bring into your small bathroom plans. Okay, my first idea for your small bathroom renovation is to create the feeling of space by increasing the visible floor space wherever possible. When you're planning your bathroom layout, be mindful of how much flooring is going to be freed up and on show. Small bathrooms will never feel big and spacious if you're trying to squeeze in a separate shower and a freestanding bath to an already tiny bathroom. So instead, choose sanitary wear that fits your space well. Don't try to cram in baths if they don't fit, and go for wall-mounted options where possible to show gestures of the floor beneath. That means a wall-hung toilet, a wall-mounted towel radiator, and a wall-mounted vanity unit. These will all sit up and off the floor, they're easy to mop and vacuum beneath, and will increase the space and light around your bathroom. Quick money-saving tip here, try to keep your plumbing locations relatively the same and you'll save hundreds in labour. So for example, keep your vanity, toilet, and shower or bath relatively close to where it currently is. Trying to move a toilet stack, for example, to a different side of your property isn't cheap, so keep it on the same wall if you can. Okay, my next idea for you will again keep your labour costs down and optimise the space in your small bathroom, and that's to choose deck-mounted taps and avoid wall-mounted taps if you can. Deck-mounted taps will save you a lot of money in labour because the pipework runs inside the vanity beneath it. It doesn't require a lot of labour to fit them, whereas wall-mounted taps need to be either chased into a wall, which will cost you more in labour, or they require a stud wall being built to house the tap's pipework, which again costs you more in labour and also takes up precious space in your small bathroom. So keep these things simple and choose deck-mounted taps. The next idea will help you get your small bathroom tiles spot on because you want to make sure your tiles make your bathroom feel bigger than it actually is and provide enough visual interest in your design. I really don't think there's any rule of thumb between having large tiles versus small tiles when you're renovating a small bathroom. Both can look equally great, but I do think that if you want your bathroom to feel bigger than it is, pay close attention to your grout colour. I recommend matching or choosing a similar grout colour to your tile colour when you're designing a small bathroom. Don't have them contrasting heavily. This is because too many visible grout lines in a high contrast can make your small bathroom feel busy and crowded. We often use Mapai or Fugabella grouts as they've got a great range of colours and they're really good quality. The same applies for using heavy and busy patterns in your bathroom. They can be a bit too much on small bathroom walls and make the room feel even smaller. Pattern is great in a small bathroom, but keep it to the floors to prevent that room feeling really closed in. If you haven't watched the 6 affordable bathroom tiles I recommend to clients, definitely check that out and you'll see which tiles I recommend for you. Another savings tip for you, large tiles are faster to install, whereas small tiles take quite a bit longer. So if you want to bring down those labour costs, then the larger the better. On the topic of colour, my next affordable idea for you is to choose your bathroom paint and colour drench. This is where you paint all the walls, ceiling and woodwork in your bathroom the same colour. Visually, it will elongate the room, bring height to the ceiling and create the feeling of space in your bathroom. And aside from it costing you less in paint supplies, it creates a really elegant spa-like look to the room that's really easy to DIY with no cutting in required. That's another big win. We want an easy life and a beautiful home here. As we're talking about paint, another affordable small bathroom idea for you is to repaint your existing vanity or bath panel using a high quality primer to help your paint adhere to the surface, like Zinsser primers we love. That's just going to help you paint and refresh your surfaces of your bathroom that are in need of a little TLC, but you can't afford to replace it completely right now. I always suggest muted, calm colours to smarten a small bathroom, and I usually keep it bright or mid-toned rather than too dark if I'm trying to make that space feel bigger. Colours like French grey or shaded white by Farrow & Ball offer a really neutral but very interesting colour scheme, and you'll be so surprised how expensive suddenly everything looks because you've chosen a colour scheme that looks quite high end. If you'd like me to talk more about colour schemes, let me know in the comments. I mentioned at the start of this video that there's a technique I apply to clients' bathroom designs when money is super tight for them, which elevates the whole room and makes it look and feel so much more expensive than it is. And I'll tell you that in a second. But first, I just wanted to give you a heads up about the bathroom design pack that I've made available for you to take all the decisions out of your project and have an interior designer choose things for you. But it's a fraction of the cost and no waiting for the designs. The design pack contains a full design for your bathroom, including the affordable tile options I recommend, colour schemes, flooring options, vanity units, sanitary ware, styling, and more, with my design notes written for you, telling you exactly how to apply everything to your bathroom, which products, which sizes to purchase, saving you a ton of time. So click the link in the description to remove all your bathroom renovation decisions and get your hands on a design pack today. And if your bathroom renovation is part of a wider full house renovation, I have design packs for every room and online courses with step-by-step guidance to stop your renovation costs spiralling and manage your full project with confidence. Links all in the description. Now, what if, like some of my clients, your budget's pretty tight to remodel your bathroom and you really need to make some swaps to spend in some areas and save money in others? Well, there's a design idea I keep returning to that you should consider as well. It's installing affordable panelling, which is more cost effective than tile in those non-splash areas, and it'll bring a really elegant, considered finish to your small bathroom or ensuite. Bathrooms are humid, so I specifically propose sheets of moisture-resistant MDF that's either been routed to look like tongue and groove or is supplied by prefabricated suppliers like Easy Panel. And I do this because when you consider the supply and installation costs, panelling actually costs less per square metre than tile would. Not to mention it's easier to cut, easier to decorate than tile, and it covers any exposed pipework or wiring really nicely too. Also, some panelling manufacturers like AccuPanel act as a form of sound insulation in bathrooms and can update the acoustics as well as the aesthetics. So say if you're trying to keep extractor noise to a minimum near a bedroom, this is going to be perfect for you. We're almost there. I've got 2 more super affordable bathroom ideas for you. If you're enjoying these tips so far, please do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps Neil and I out. So at this stage, you may not have given much thought to your bathroom lighting, but your lighting will really enhance the look of your small bathroom, giving it a luxurious feel in the evenings. So don't overlook this part of your design. For quick and affordable updates to your bathroom lighting, don't bother with rewiring and consider installing wireless wall lights. You'll save a couple of hundred in wiring and plastering, and you won't have any cables on show either. Companies like Pookie and Predola have rechargeable bathroom rated lighting that will bring that luxury touch around your vanity for a very affordable price. Love it. My final idea to get your small bathroom looking beautiful and standing the test of time is to pay attention to those little design details. I always think that smaller rooms actually need to work harder for you in terms of design because everything is so close and the finish is more in your eye line, whereas larger rooms are a little bit more forgiving with details being further away. So as your bathroom design planning gets underway, I really encourage you to try and find design solutions for even the smallest of details, like covering that scruffy air vent or ways to neaten bottle storage. The details matter and they'll be well worth your time and money. Check the links below this video for everything I've mentioned today, including the bathroom design pack and online courses to get your hands on if you want to set your project up for success and remove stress and unknowns from your planning. I hope this has given you some affordable ideas for your small bathroom renovation. Let me know in the comments below if there's any that you think you'll try out. I love hearing from you and supporting you wherever I can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another design chat. Bye guys.